were close. Almost got there. So we were at this negative 3 to the third is negative 27 times 4 is negative 108 y to the first. And then the last term we have here is 1 times negative 3 to the fourth. So negative 3 to the fourth is 81 times 1 is 81. So this would be our final expansion. So let's try another one together. So this is to the third power, which from old Jimmy Pascal's triangle, you can see the coefficients. We're looking at this row right here. This a plus b to the third. It's going to look like that. Here's our coefficients, which are written right here for us. All right, so for the first term, we're going to be doing 1 times the first term, which is 4z to the third, right? And we're not going to give the second term, the 5, anything. It would be 5 to the 0 power, right? So we're starting first term to the third, second term to the 0 power. You don't even need to write it. Plus, we'll get our 3 from here. So we'll do our first term, the 4z squared, and the second term, the 5 to the first power. Which you could write the 1 there, sure. But remember, the 2 exponents need to add up to the exponent on the expansion. What's going on here? Someone's turning in late work. How dare ye? Okay. Our next term is also a 3 for the coefficient. It was 4z to the second power. Now we're going to take it down to 4z to the first power. And 5 will go up to 5 to the second power. Let me scooch my face out of the way here. Our last coefficient is a 1. And this is where the 4z's have gone from the second power to the first power. Now it's going to be to the 0 power, so there won't be any 4z's. But we will have 5 to the third power. We simplify from here, and then we're done. So 4 to the third power, 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, times 1 is 64. So we'll have 64 z to the third power. 4 to the second is 16, times 3 is 48, times 5 is 240. And we have z to the second power, plus, let's see, 4 to the first is 4, times 3 is 12. We have to multiply that by 5 to the second. Now 5 to the second is 25. 25 times 12, 300. And it's just z to the first. And the last one, 5 to the third is 125 times 1 is 125. Now you might feel safer going with just writing 4z plus 5 times 4z plus 5 times 4z plus 5 and multiplying it out that way, and that's fine. It'll still get you there. But I want you to today practice with Pascal's triangle, okay? So I'm not even going to bother starting these ones because I know I'll run out of time. So let me move down this part. Woo! I'll get you set up. So on the next video, I'm going to have you start these 3, and I'll put Pascal's triangle with the coefficients on there for you as well.